In this video, we are going to solve one more gate problem related to stability analysis, and here we are going to derive the characteristic equation when open loop gain is given. So, this is one more model. So, the open loop transfer function of an unity feedback system is 2s square plus 6s plus 5 divided by s plus 1 whole square into s plus 2. The characteristic equation of the closed loop system is what they given, what we need to find out. We need to find out characteristic equation and they given open loop gain and they said that is unity feedback system. First I want to draw that system. So, here if you are having any control system with open loop gain, so here open loop gain is G of S and here this is C of S, and if they didn't mention any positive or negative feedback, obviously you need to go for negative feedback. If they mention positive feedback, then only you just consider positive feedback, otherwise the general feedback is negative feedback only. So, unity feedback, that means H of S must be equivalent to 1. This G of S is nothing but that. Open loop gain, this is the open loop transfer function of unity feedback system. Open loop gain or open loop transfer function is nothing but G of S. So, that G of S they given 2s square plus 6s plus 5 divided by s plus 1 whole square into s plus 2. So, now by this we need to find out the characteristic equation of the system. We already had a problem related to this. So, transfer function of the system, negative feedback system, negative unity feedback system with open loop gain G of S is equivalent to G of S by 1 plus G of S into H of S. The denominator of this transfer function, closed loop transfer function of the system will indicate the characteristic equation of the system. Now, we need to find out this, they are asking this 1 plus G of S into H of S. When you are writing in the form of equation, then you need to write like this, H of S is equivalent to 0, this you need to find out. So, here as the feedback is unity feedback, H of S value is equivalent to 1. Unity feedback is nothing but H of S, that means feedback gain is equivalent to 1. So, as H of S is equivalent to 1, our characteristic equation will turn as 1 plus G of S is equivalent to 0. Now, they given G of S. So, we need to just substitute that G of S, 2s square plus 6s plus 5 divided by s plus 1 whole square into s plus 2 is equivalent to 0. If we cross multiply and send this denominator to 0, then you are going to get the answer for the characteristic equation. That means s plus 1 whole square into s plus 2 plus 2s square plus 6s plus 5 equal to 0 will be the characteristic equation related to the given problem. So, in the given options, option C will source for this. You can see 2s square plus 6s plus 5 plus s plus 1 whole square into s plus 2 is equivalent to 0. For example, you may get one doubt, after simplification we may get another option also. For that I am going to simplify this. So, s plus 1 whole square means a plus b whole square formula, a square plus b square plus 2ab into s plus 2. So, plus 2s square plus 6s plus 5 is equivalent to 0. Here definitely this will not be the option. So, here if you observe this, here you are not going to get 2s square plus 6s plus 5 or s plus 1 whole square into s plus 2 is equivalent to 0. Why? Because if you solve this equation, you are entirely going to get a different value, not like this or like this. So, definitely the answer for this problem is C, directly they given. After cross multiplication itself, we are going to get the characteristic equation. When they are asking characteristic equation with open loop or closed loop or block diagram is given, just we need to find out 1 plus G of S into H of S value. Just we need to make 1 plus g of s into h of s is equivalent to 0 to model the characteristic equation. In any gate problem in stability analysis, if they are asking characteristic equation, then the formula for that is 1 plus g of s into h of s is equivalent to 0. If h of s is equivalent to unity feedback, then your equation will modify as 1 plus g of s is equivalent to 0. After solving the 1 plus g of s is equivalent to 0, you are going to get your characteristic equation.